Monday, July 14th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here with you, and looks like a really nice sunrise underway there along the North Carolina Outer Banks from the Avalon Pier web camera. Still pretty dark up there in the mountains as I'm cutting this video here during the 5 o'clock hour. And your observations, 77 there at Kill Devil Hill, 65 at Beech Mountain. Kind of a typical summertime morning across the region. Yesterday, for Sunday, pretty hot day, 94 the high in Raleigh. Greensboro hit 93, so did Fayetteville, 94 in Columbia, Charlotte at 92, even Boone topping 80. And most of us are in the 70s once you get outside of the mountains this morning. Some mid-60s up that way, most everybody else in the mid to the upper 70s. It is a warm and humid start to the day. Dew point temperatures upper 60s to low and mid-70s out there, and it will be a pretty muggy day today out ahead of our next cold front. Now, here's the overall setup today. That cold front still off to the northwest of us, but we do have this Piedmont trough in place, and that's going to help fire off a few showers and storms as soon as this afternoon. Let's take a peek around the radar first of all. Pretty quiet. There are some showers and storms down around the Charleston area that are firing off this morning. Most of the activity offshore, though, and this is all with the incoming cold front. Showers and storms for parts of the Ohio Valley and the Ozarks and a couple spots in the Plain States. And that front is continuing to gradually work our way. Now, out ahead of it, largely aided by that trough, there will be some showers or thunderstorms fired this afternoon, and I think the chances for a few showers and storms will extend right on into tonight as well. Pretty hot day today. Look at those highs up toward the mid-90s in many spots, and it's a pretty muggy day out there today as well. Now tomorrow the actual cold front will begin to slide on in, so it looks like a pretty unsettled day across the region tomorrow with good opportunities for some showers and some thunderstorms. Here's the day 2 severe weather outlook, and places such as Rockingham and Fayetteville and Raleigh up toward Norfolk included in that day 2 severe weather outlook. For the Piedmont of North Carolina, wind and hail, your biggest severe weather threat. Of course, could be a lot of lightning with any storms tomorrow as well. And so we will need to watch the severe weather potential. Bit of a strong trough sliding in, so a little bit more the way of dynamics in play than you would normally expect to see in mid-July. So that'll be something to watch tomorrow. Now behind the front, there it goes Wednesday, pressing further to the south. Highs Wednesday behind the front in the 80s. But here's the real deal in terms of what will make the difference in how it feels out there. Watch the dew points. Now, here we are, 8 o'clock tomorrow evening. The drier air has overspread the Ohio Valley and a good chunk of the Tennessee Valley at that point in time. And then watch what happens here in the Carolinas as we go from Tuesday into Wednesday. There comes the drier air sliding in. And that's going to give us a couple of pretty nice weather days, Wednesday and Thursday, with lower humidity. And a lot of us in the mid-80s for highs. Pretty good stuff overall. Tropics, no problems here through the Gulf of Mexico or the Caribbean Sea. The Atlantic Ocean, everything is very quiet. No sign of any tropical development here over the next several days. All right, that is it for today's edition of the video. Everybody have a wonderful day, and God bless.